Today I'm going to be fishing this massive pond to see if I can catch some bass. So these are all the fishies that I caught. I'm going to subscribe to the first person who puts how many fish I caught in this video in the comment section. Skinny, dude.
What do you mean by that?
And then I caught this nice little bassie, but I kind of gut hooked him, but I got it out, so he's fine. But if you know what I mean, a little bit of blood don't hurt nobody. Yep. So those are all the fishies that I caught at this humongous pond. Please subscribe.